We're just out for our mid-afternoon walk. I have a question for everybody. I've said this a few times. I am thinking about doing a channel that has to do with chronic pain, full of lots of information, how it's developed in the medical community in the past 30 years, ever since the OxyContin scandal, and how it is become very ignorant and judgmental, and how doctors are afraid to prescribe the medications that actually work. And then I would like to discuss how they are offering this new MAID program in Canada, where they will gladly unalive you because of one of the big reasons is chronic pain, but they will not give you the medications that help you be a productive member of society. I think that I am a very good candidate to discuss this forum, as I have been a chronic pain patient for 30 years, and I've been through it all. And I know that without certain medications, I would not be doing construction, I would not be doing hiking, I would not be